I am going to be talking about time management today. And so today I am employing one of my favorite tips that I learned from my mom, which is setting a timer. I have a crazy dining room table behind me, still covered in unicorns from our birthday party, and a bunch of things to pick up around the house, hyacinths that need to get planted in the garden and out of our bathroom. And I'm planning to set the table and get the kids' table set up for company coming this weekend. After that, we'll see how much time I have, but I'm planning on tackling our tax packet. I have lots of areas in my house that in our life get neglected, and sometimes neglected for a long time. Amazon packages arrive and they get set on the dining room table. Mail piles up, filing piles up, and kids' stuff just constantly is filling the car and filling the surfaces in our house. So I am going to set a timer and tackle these things, and then I'm going to reward myself and you by showing you the footage of the finished product, and hopefully I will have the house ready for company coming. I've also gone to Costco, so I've picked up the things that I need. I have a menu in mind, and so I will probably be sharing that video with you at some point. I've missed you. I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and I hope to see you back on my channel soon. Okay, stick around and I will show you the footage shortly of what has gotten accomplished around the house. I set my timer for 90 minutes and I've made a list, and I will show you the things that I was able to get accomplished in that very short period of time, just in time to have a sandwich. As you can see behind me, I have cleared my dining room table. I haven't gotten it set, but I have my coffee and dessert plates ready, and my platters are ready to set up for the dishes that I'm going to be serving. I'll set the table later, it's fine. I have emptied a waterlogged bucket of compost that was out in the yard during the rain, so the back patio is cleaned up a bit. I took that compost and I top dressed all of the camellias along the back patio, so it was a 2-for-1 cleanup. I hosed off the patio, planted my 2 hyacinths, cleared away the forcing jars, washed them and put them away for next fall. I filled 2 bird feeders. I unpacked 2 Amazon packages and put away the contents of those. I'm planning a Purim gift basket video. I will have that video up for you next month. Put away the Purim basket items, took out the kitchen compost. I took out the recycling, drank a cup of coffee, set up an after-school activity here for my girls using bubble wrap and bugs. I put together this little activity station for the kids coming over this weekend. Toilet paper rolls and scarves for big scale threading or lacing activity. I sent 1 important school email, put away the unicorns and labeled them in the garage for another celebration, put away the boxes from my Amazon order to reuse for something else, cleared 1 pantry shelf of stale snacks and made some order in the pantry. And I think that's enough. So I just wanted to share with you my example of a day in the life of a stay-at-home mommy. I rarely get uninterrupted time, so 90 minutes for me is a lot of time, and I even have a little extra time after shooting this. So I would love to hear if you have additional tips for me that could be helping me and my viewers. Leave a comment below, and otherwise, I'm really satisfied with my day. So thanks so much again. I'm gonna go work on our taxes now, but I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.